Hi guys, my name is Harsh Deherwal and I'm a Leanstack and high performance coach. In this video, I would like to give you a brief introduction to 90-day startup workshop that is starting in September of this year. If you have a product idea, but you're not sure how to go about launching it into the market, or you're not sure whether there is a big enough market for it, the upcoming workshop is a great way to answer those exact questions within 90 days. It's an immersive program for innovators, aspiring entrepreneurs, and product managers, which you can join from anywhere. But if you're still on the fence, let me give you 3 reasons to join the program now. If you're Kevin Costner in the field of dreams, you will build it and they will come. But in real world, as you may have experienced, the life works slightly differently. Just building a solution or a product doesn't guarantee that the customers will line up to buy it. So, if you want to find out whether your product idea will resonate with customers before investing significant amount of time and resources in building it, then this program is for you. If you're waiting for all the stars to line up before you take the leap, well, you might need to wait for a long time. The fact of the matter is, life is too short. There's never a good time. In today's day and age, the biggest risk we can take is to not take one. So in 1, 3, or 5 years' time, would you like to be someone who looks back and wonders, what if I had followed my dreams sooner? The 90-day startup program and the Leanstack framework have been tried and tested by hundreds of entrepreneurs around the world. Why? Because it works. So, if you are ready to level up your game and build the next generation of successful products, please follow the link that comes with this video. If you have any further questions, my email is harsh@harshdeherwal.com. Thanks for your time, and I will see you at the starting line.